Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the default web browser on a Windows system. So in my case I'm working on Windows 10, but this should also work on Windows 11. So first thing you need to do, come down here into the bottom left, click into the search bar here and type in default apps. Okay, you should then see the default app settings option pop up here. Just click on that. And then in here, if you scroll down, you can see the web browser option. So in my case, my default web browser at the moment is Microsoft Edge. So if I click on that, it gives me options then to change that to a different browser. So I'm going to change to Google Chrome. So just click on Chrome. Asking me here, do I want to stay with Edge? I'm just going to say switch anyway. Okay, and that's it. Obviously, if you want to use Google Chrome as your default browser, you need to have it installed. If you're looking for a video on how to install Chrome, I have a video and the link to that video is in the description below, so check that out. Which the same applies for Firefox or any other browser. If you want to swap over your default browser, you need to have the browser you're swapping to installed. So that's it for this video. If you found it useful, please leave a like. Thank you.